Let's talk about the market setup then, and Kunal is here in the studios. Kunal, morning, not bad at all. 3 consecutive days of FI buying, and it's inching up.
Yeah, so I think that confidence is coming back, at least when you look at the numbers. And I think it's getting translated to the index movement also. It's not that, we are volatile in a manner that the markets are breaking the supports for themselves, but I think with the mix of sectors coming back every now and then, I think you're seeing new sectors participating. Yesterday you saw, traces of larger cap names managing to make a comeback. A few days back you had the private sector banking names. So I think when you see that kind of a strong mix in terms of individual sectors, of course the buying numbers from the FIIs, the reduction in terms of short positions from the F&O angle, when we look at such kind of combinations, it's a very strong indicator that the markets are getting up for a breakout on the upside. I still believe that 25,500 is a doable target for the index over the near term. My expectation was that we may probably hit this level today, but wouldn't be disappointed if the index goes into that 25,500 levels, say sometime mid of next week.
But Kunal, we've discussed what the market setup is looking like. What about the stock calls?
Yeah, so I'll go with a differentiated theme again. Pharma stocks is something which starts to look attractive. Sun Pharma is wherever pick at current levels. The stock is showing signs of a inverted head and shoulder pattern. The breakout for the stock is around the 1660 levels where it closed yesterday. So would look out for targets in the range of 1710 for Sun Pharma. Stop loss could be kept at 1630. And the second would be a buy on Bank of Baroda. I think the PSU banking stocks are coming back into the fray as such, because these stocks have come back into a mild retracement. So we look out for retracements towards 20-day moving averages for the stocks on the short-term charts. And that generally provides a good entry point for traders who missed out on the previous leg of the rally. I think the likes of Bank of Baroda is coming back to that kind of a price territory where the risk reward becomes a lot more attractive. So look out for targets in the range of 274. Stop loss could be kept at 258.
Okay. Also, some of the gold financiers, I'm going to be keen to watch out for what they will do. Kunal, do you have a view with regard to Manappuram Muthoot?
Yeah, I think maybe today could be an off day for the stocks, given yesterday the cool-off which we've seen on the gold prices, because they tend to have a high correlation. And we've seen Manappuram Muthoot Finance doing exceptionally well in the last, I think, 3 months or 6 months, especially at a point when the gold prices on the rupee as well as in the dollar terms have moved up significantly higher. So maybe some bit of a cool-off which could happen over there. But I would actually believe that even if that happens and if these stocks come back to their respective or individual 50-day moving averages, that would be a very good zone to try and look at, buying these names. So as of now, expecting these stocks to go into a mean reversion phase or maybe some sort of a profit booking phase.
Right.